Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem TechBD.
Ever wondered what is the best gaming PC you can build for $250? In a world where high-end gaming rigs can cost a small fortune, this may seem like an impossible task, but hold your horses, it's not as outlandish as it sounds. The secret lies in striking that sweet balance between performance and cost. It's all about choosing the right components that give you the most bang for your buck. And believe it or not, while it may seem like a daunting task, building a gaming PC for just $250 is certainly possible. First and foremost, it is important to consider the components that will provide the most bang for your buck. When it comes to the heart of your PC, the CPU, there are a couple of viable options. The AMD Ryzen 3 2200G and the Intel Pentium G5400 are both powerhouses in their own right, capable of handling a variety of tasks without breaking the bank. Now, onto the eyes of your gaming PC, the graphics card, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti or an AMD Radeon RX 550 are worth considering. While they may not be the most high-end cards on the market, they can certainly handle most games at lower settings, giving you a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. For the motherboard, we suggest going for something like the ASRock B450M HDVR4 or the Gigabyte GAA 320MS2H. Both are budget-friendly and offer all the features you'll need for your gaming needs. As for the brain of your PC, the RAM, 8 GB of DDR4 should be sufficient for most games. It's a good balance between cost and performance, ensuring your games run smoothly without costing a fortune. Lastly, we recommend investing in a smaller capacity SSD for your operating system and a larger capacity HDD for game storage. This way, you get the speed benefits of an SSD for your OS, while still having plenty of storage space for your games. With careful component selection, you can build a capable gaming PC for $250. In conclusion, building a gaming PC for $250 is possible with careful component selection. Let's take a quick recap of the components we've discussed. We've got the CPU, where an AMD Ryzen 3 2200G or Intel Pentium G5400 stands as a good choice. As for the graphics card, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti or AMD Radeon RX 550 should do the trick. The motherboard could be a budget-friendly option like the ASRock B450M HDVR4 or Gigabyte GAA 320MS2H. And let's not forget about RAM, where 8 GB of DDR4 should be sufficient. Lastly, a smaller capacity SSD for the operating system and a larger capacity HDD for game storage would be a wise choice. This build may not cater to the latest ADA titles at their highest settings, but it will provide a decent gaming experience for those on a tight budget. So why not take on the challenge and build your own gaming PC for $250?
If you have any problem, you can comment us. I have a request, if you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.